Pre-museum activity. Participants watch the PPT presentation about museums, museum types, and museum education. Museum activity. Participants have brief information about the museum and they took a guided museum tour. Then they are divided in 4 groups. Each group is given separate bags. They are real objects which are very similar to the objects from the museum. These objects are wooden box, piece of tile work, piece of carpet, piece of handwriting manuscript. Then groups are given question charts and they are asked to discuss the answers of the questions in a group. Then each group selects a leader and the leader gives information about the objects. And they also ask some questions about the objects which they are not sure about its usage. When all the groups complete this process, they gather in the main museum gallery and are divided in 4 different groups. They are given big envelopes which include some objects and photos about wood carving, tile working, carpet weaving, and book ornamenting. Groups examine the materials which they were given and they also read the directions they find in the envelopes. Before they start the activity, they see the museum objects once again in their free time in the museum. Then they take their place in the museum education room and start to create their own handwork through the museum samples. Post-museum activity. Participants evaluate all of the process and fill out the forms which they are going to be given.